But there's much more towards the hypervisor. And for this, I would welcome the next speaker who knows about how things are moving through environments. And I would like to welcome as the next speaker on stage, Jeff Ulatoski from Omnissa. Hey, Jeff. Good to see you. Good to see you. I've heard that your last trip wasn't that good.
Oh no, it was good. It was good. But my luggage decided to take a European tour.
Right. So they didn't know that you know how to row maps, right?
Exactly. Actually, let's talk about it. So I had a bit of a detour. No, I actually got here. Well, I had a little detour, but my luggage decided to take the long way to Europe from Singapore. So I'm experiencing something, and I'm sorry, I had to decline the yellow Speedos, the offer.
I know. I offered it to you, but you didn't want them.
It would have been good, but courtesy of Lufthansa, I have a new wardrobe here for you on stage. And they were great, but again, my luggage is taking their time.
Is it now with you?
They just came from Milan. I think they're on their way to the hotel now.
All right, let's hope for the best.
Air tags for the win there.
Yeah.
So it's not unlike how Windows desktops work. If you show up to a new Windows desktop without your apps, it's the same kind of problem. And we talk about BCDR, we talk about all these things, and that's really the same problem. You can give someone a new desktop, but if they don't have their apps, it's like not having your clothes in your luggage.
That's right.
And so today I want to talk a little bit about what Omnissa is doing for their management of the whole portfolio. Now, this is my perspective because I look at apps. We have our Horizon product. We have our UEM product for managing virtual and physical devices accordingly. We also have Omnissa Access to help with your application single sign-on capabilities and web apps. We bring in a catalog for the ability to go to any device and be able to see all of your work-related apps right there. So everything you need to access across all of these applications are there, and we monitor the performance of that X product. But today I want to talk a little bit more intimately about App Volumes. App Volumes is a product that is able to provide a single app package format across all of these Windows desktops. And so we first announced, and this was, I think I had to look it up, it was February.
Yeah, there was a young man there in the back.
Oh, look at you.
Yeah,
looking good. You look the same. So we were here at IGEL, and we first announced the ability to be able to have applications across all of these different virtual forms. So you could, whether you were on Horizon or even Citrix, AppStream of Amazon and Microsoft, as Scott mentioned before, we're helping them with the host pools as well. This is your ability to be able to have a single package format across this and really manage the app lifecycle of those applications. It's something often we forget, and we say, hey, just do apps the way you've always done it. But Omnissa has taken that on straight away and has been working on making that possible. And recently we announced for physical devices, whether you're managing UEM, Intune, SCCM, or whether you're just pixie booting those devices, we can bring with the App Volumes Manager the capability of managing all of these across all of those.
But I think there's something missing, right?
Oh, no, there's more.
Oh.
So for right now, we're going to announce here, for the first time, App Volumes for the IGEL Managed Hypervisor.
So tell us a little bit more about it. What does it do?
So let's look at it. So obviously with IGEL's devices, you have all of your applications available. But those Windows applications, can they run offline? Well, they can with the new IMH.
Right.
But we're able to provide them via App Volumes to those different VMs that you have on the device. And that means that even if you refresh the VMs, you're able to continue to get those applications.
And you could still have the immutability feature turned on. So your system, the operating system stays immutable, and you can update apps, right?
Exactly. So if there's any malware or any issue with your device, you can easily wipe the Windows machine, and the apps are still there, and the users are continuing to work. It doesn't matter where the users landed, they're able to get their apps. So let's take a look at this in a demo. So as you can see here, as you mentioned, the immutability feature here, you can make this disk immutable, which means that it'll refresh, so giving that value of the non-persistent desktop. But in this case, in App Volumes, you're able to assign an application. We're going to use Notepad++. And that application is able to deliver straight to the machine, straight to the IGEL device, and in the Windows environment for that device. So that when the user logs in, much like having your luggage when you get off the plane,
Right.
you're able to see the application right there on the desktop.
And I heard that's your very much favorite app, right? Notepad.
Very familiar with that. And so this is available today.
Yeah, it is available today.
Yes,
Yeah.
we just announced this. October 30th was the date we released this version. So I know you said earlier today, we were talking about now. So this is now. So you can go ahead and try this. You can get it, and you can use it on your IGEL devices.
That's amazing.
Let's dive a little bit deeper into what that value means. So with this, it's not just getting the application, it's also managing the life cycle of the application. So let's say, for example, and this is on a physical device, not unlike it could be an IGEL, the same, but this is any physical device. You're able to go from Adobe Reader 11 to 2021. Now, what is the user experience? They're using the application. Well, this is where we've taken app volumes to the next level. You can prompt the user. We have a serious critical update for security reasons. It's available. Please close your app. Now, if you watch the shortcut on the desktop, that's how fast we can update an application. There's no downtime for the user. Well, a blink of an eye, downtime
I would
for the
say
user.
it's instant, right?
It's instant. It is. It's on demand. Apps on demand. And we're able to provide that new version. There's no MSI running in the background, no 99% hidden progress bar that you're seeing in some silent installer. It's right there, available to you, available to the user straight away.
Awesome.
Now let's take this a step further. You can even do more. Because of app volumes and apps on demand, you can even ask the user which version they want to use. So maybe they're okay. They have some time. They're going to try the new version. We're not going to tell them to go to a different VM to do user acceptance testing or try a different machine in a foreign land. This is going to be something that they can do right then and there as part of their process, which means you're going to get better fidelity from your users testing your applications. And on top of that, we can ask them what they thought about that. Now, this is something that normally, you've probably seen this on Zoom or other applications where you have this thumbs up, thumbs down, but that information goes to the vendor. But IT is managing the application. So here, we're able to give that information directly to the app owner, the person that cares most about this application for their users. And so the users can provide feedback, and it's done seamlessly without any surveys or emails or questions, or even just closing your eyes and updating an application. You can get that feedback in real time.
That's amazing. That's really good.
So to learn more, I invite you to come to a session I'm doing later today at 1:55 in the afternoon. And also, I'll be joining Nursena, a product manager here on your team, for simplifying app delivery to dive into what IMH and App Volumes has to offer for you.
So now you see what happens when two guys, you and I, were sitting together like 2 years ago in San Francisco, drawing things on the wall.
Oh, we did. We drew it up, and I really appreciate the partnership that we have. We've been able to do so much together.
Absolutely.
And our engineers and our marketing teams and everybody working together to make all of this a possibility.
Yeah. So thank you for the great partnership. Thanks for the presentation, Jeff.
Thank you. Bye, everyone. Thank you.